American Leather is a furniture manufacturer founded 35 years ago in Dallas, Texas. Here at American Leather, process matters. American Leather was founded on the belief that furniture shouldn't take 16 weeks. I always said manufacturing is like a symphony. Every instrument plays at certain times. When we think about furniture, the only way you can do handcrafted is done by an artist. Every employee in this company is an artist. Our name is beautiful, American Leather, but 70% of what we do is fabric pieces. Actually, we are American framing, American cutting, American foam, American sewing, American upholstery, and that's American Leather.